Verify the identity 2 sine x cos x over cosecant squared x minus 1 equals tangent squared x sine 2x. What I need to do is I need to take the stuff on the left, do a little bit of math magic, and see if I end up with stuff on the right. Now, this is what I see right off the bat. I see what looks like the result of a double angle formula. And I see a double angle formula right there. And I look to be what results or what looks like a Pythagorean identity. And look, the other part of a Pythagorean theorem, kinda identity. So let's do both of those on the left side. I know 2 sine x cos x is the result of doing sine 2x because of the double angle identity. I know that cosecant squared x minus 1 is the same thing as cotangent squared x. Now, does that get me what I want? No, but what else do I see? Cotangent's in the denominator, which means if I move it upstairs and turn it into tangent, I get tangent squared x times sine 2x, which is what I'm trying to find. So did I verify? I sure did. Verify just like I am on Twitter. No, I'm not. And it's also called X.